Stop stressing about finding an affordable home. There's a new way to make it happen. In 2022, I set out to find a home for me and my daughter in Dallas. As a single mom and entrepreneur, I thought it'd be easy, but boy was I wrong. Despite a solid mid-six-figure income, I placed 12 offers on homes, only to be outbid or rejected every single time. The market was crazy, with prices skyrocketing and cash buyers swooping in. This struggle led me to start Tiny Renaissance Homes. Imagine luxury, sustainable, minimalist homes designed for folks like us who just want a place to call home. Did y'all know the median home price in the US is now over $400,000? And the average American household spends over 30% of its income on housing? It's time for a change. Tiny Renaissance Homes is my answer to the housing crisis. Let's build a community where everyone can live happily and affordably. Join me on this journey to create homes that bring hope. Follow us at Tiny Renaissance Homes and let's make affordable living a reality.